Here I've got Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and let me show you how to use split screen feature on the following device. So if for example you want to watch some tutorial on YouTube and meanwhile you want to perform this action on your device, simply open YouTube at first, then go back to the home screen. Now for example open the settings if it starts in the settings, and then click on 3 horizontal lines located here and tap on the icon of YouTube, where you will notice open in split screen view. Simply click on it, and now here you've got the first window, and the second, simply by tapping you can open and then use them all together. You can make it smaller or bigger, it's all up to you. For example, if you want the settings to be bigger than the video, simply swipe it up and you can play the video and meanwhile perform the actions over here. As you can see, you can use both windows at the same time. If you would like to switch off split screen feature, simply go back to your home screen and now tap on the cross icon located in the middle of the screen, and that's it. As you can see, now you're back in the standard mode, in the normal one, with just one window active. Obviously you can do it for all the features, so simply tap on the icon and then select open and split screen view. And that is all. This is how you can activate it and obviously deactivate it as previously. So that's basically all. This is how you can use split screen feature in your Galaxy Note 10. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.